Hello, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. This is Riddle, and I want to cover a complicated but serious topic about putting wild plants or transplanting wild plants that you find from nature into your garden. So, the reason it's a complex subject is number one, even the most common small wooded areas are now becoming endangered, and many of the plants in those spaces also are becoming endangered. But there's the catch-22. When I lived in Ohio, I often would find species in one small, 5 acres of woods that would disappear because of bulldozers and construction. So in that case, taking the plants from those spaces made sense because it was their only chance of surviving, and there was little to no conservation efforts in Ohio, being a red state. The thing is, if you're going to transplant something from the wild like I did with these ferns, it's a huge responsibility. And what I mean by that is you have to be as 100% certain as possible that you have the proper environment and discipline to give that plant the same or better chance of life as it had in the forest. And if you can't do that, or you can't give that plant to someone else who can, then you should probably leave it alone and leave it in the forest. Often humans, can become such greedy little monkeys, and they will take all the plants or take all of everything, animals, plants, and then that plants and animals just die. So don't be ignorant. If you can't provide the same or better life for a wild plant in your garden, then don't take it. Just leave it where it belongs. I actually got these ferns from the surrounding forest. These ferns are very common. They're not endangered. And I knew I had just the right mix of shade and soil here that they would thrive. Okay, so that's my advice. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. If you like my quick money-saving videos that include garden wisdom and other things, please subscribe. It helps. Take care of yourselves, but most of all, take care of each other, because how we treat each other on the streets is what really matters and forms our reality. Bye for now.